In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a houseplant database using ClickUp. If you've ever wanted a simple, flexible way to track your plants, what they are, where they live, and when they were last watered, this setup will keep everything organized in one place. Start by creating the home for your database. In ClickUp, head to the space and folder where you want this to live. Create a new list and name it Houseplant Database, then confirm to create it. A list in ClickUp acts like a container for all your plant entries and the fields you'll use to describe them, so this will be your central hub. Next, add an entry for each plant you want to track. In the list, create a new task and use the plant's name as the task title. Repeat this for every plant. One task equals one plant, which makes it easy to search, filter, and update later. If you have similar names, consider being consistent with naming, like including variety or size in the title to avoid confusion. Now it's time to set up the details that make this a true database. Open any plant task and click Customize, then add Custom Field. Create the fields you'll use across all plants. Plant type as a drop-down, watering frequency as either a number or text. Depending on how you prefer to record it, light requirements as a drop-down, location as text, and last watered date as a date. For drop-downs, keep the options simple and meaningful. For example, light requirements might include low, medium, and bright. If you prefer watering frequency in days, use a number. If you use phrases like weekly or twice a month, choose text. With your fields in place, go through each plant task and fill them out. Add any notes that help, care tips, repotting dates, pest history, so everything you need is captured in one view. You can also attach photos of each plant to make identification fast and visual. To actually use your database day-to-day, switch to Table View for a clean, spreadsheet-style layout. You'll see each plant as a row and your custom fields as columns, which is great for quick edits, sorting, and scanning. For more visual organization, try List or Board View, grouping by plant type, location, or watering frequency. This makes it easy to see which plants are similar, where they're placed, or which ones are due for attention, and dragging items between groups will update their fields automatically. And that's how you build a houseplant database using ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.